Do you know Atta Halilintar?
Yes, I know.
Asia.
Yes. And then, what do you think about Atta?
He is the king of prank.
Atta, you are not a king of YouTuber, but you are a king of the prank. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Sastri Bakri bersama the greatest YouTuber will be, right? Barqa Ismail, grandson of Sofiani and Yusuf Rahman, the legend of the dancer and musician in West Sumatra. Not you are, but I said the Sofiani and Yusuf Rahman as your grandpa and grandma, right? Okay. I like you. I love you. I have some question for you about your YouTube. The icon is all about Indonesia. Especially the culture of Indonesia. So would you tell me about it?
And to show people all of the world talk about Indonesia and all of the islands and the province and the culture.
Okay, Mikael, how old are you?
9 and
Nine.
10.
Almost 10 or
No, I'm already 10.
already 10? Okay. So young, huh? But how can you think about all of Indonesia? As a kid, I think no. Nggak banyak lah waktu itu anak kecil like you bisa berpikir tentang culture of Indonesia. Why?
Because of my mother. My mother went to upload me a YouTube channel talk about the culture of Indonesia.
Very like your channel. And you have ever interviewed me, right?
Yeah.
About what?
Randai.
Okay. What do you think about Randa?
It's pretty good.
Uh-huh.
I like the acting.
Uh-huh. So what do you think about the all of performance?
It's very good. I like the performance
And then you want to be actor?
maybe.
Or you want to be YouTuber like Atta? Do you know Atta Halilintar?
Yes, I know.
Yes.
Asia.
And then what do you think about Atta?
He is the king of prank.
Atta, you are not a king of YouTuber, but you are a king of the prank.
The king of Indonesian YouTuber.
You will be the one of a YouTuber. 1 year or 2 years, maybe your subscriber will be the 1 million, right? Amen. Amen. Okay, how about the school?
The school is from Sawangan, SDN Ketahanan, and in 4th grade.
What the teachers think about you? Yeah, but you're here to office.
He doesn't know.
Oh my God! Teachers, don't forget to see the YouTube channel of Barqa Ismail. Okay?
Please subscribe to my channel and your channel.
Okay. What else?
I want to tell, how did you get a lot of subscribers more than me?
No. I want to ask about you, not about me.
Before I become a YouTuber, my mom gave me idea to send my first video in YouTube channel, call it Arqa First Vlog. And when that video already released, I got 4 subscribers.
Oh, okay.
Second video is I do beatbox.
Please show them. 6 months later, will be
1,000. We hope.
I mean, why you always speak English than bahasa?
I cannot explain it
I'm almost 65, but I can speak English well like you.
because
Every day you speak English. And your mom? Yeah.
my dad, my brother, and my sister.
So English too?
I speak bahasa.
How about bahasa Minang?
I understand they saying, but I don't know how to speak it. I can speak only like this. Ambo, Barqa Ismail. Ambo bisa bahasa Minang sedikit.
It's not right.
Bisa.
Bisa. The people always think A, B, O. Hey! Okay, Barqa. The last message to your fans. Bunda fans.
Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Bunda Sasti interview with me. Yeah. Well, every week, so I release 2 videos, I think. The run day, the part 1 and part 2. Watch that. So and learn Indonesian a lot and love Indonesia and respect
peace
Indonesia
Indonesian
and
peace.
Indonesian peace and bye.
Oke, itulah bincang-bincang kita bersama Barqa Mikael. Barqa ini memang luar biasa. Dia jago bahasa Inggris, kalah lo awaknya. Dan yang paling hebat adalah masih kecil bisa berpikir tentang Indonesia. Adakah kita seperti Barqa yang masih berusia 10 tahun, cucu dari Sofiani dan Pak Yusuf Rahman, tokoh legenda yang saya kagumi dan saya hormati. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum.